Yo, what's up, guys? We are back. So, just wanna show you this analysis over here. Go through it with you. Um, this be AUD USD. So, I'd just like to speak you through it and what I'm seeing. So, let's just get this right. Looking from, let me lock it. See if I can lock this. Okay, it's locked. So, looking at a 4-hour perspective, you can obviously see that I have this touches in over here, the trend lines, as well as this trend lines over here. So what I'm looking at obviously is we see that you have the 1 2 and possibly looking for that third touch over there, and then over here we have the 1 2 and then possibly looking for a third touch over here. So based on the higher time frame, you can tell the market came down impulsively over here and then created this corrective channel, and it created that second touch over here. You can see that the market then moved down impulsively, which gives us this second touch over here. Thereafter, we see that the market moves back up in a corrective manner, and if you go on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is the ascending channel that I'm currently looking at. So at this channel, I have the 1 over here, 2, and then the possible third touch over there. You can see 1, 2, and then the possible third touch over here. And then just going through this, obviously, sorry about that. We know we can have this touch over here, and then the market can start coming down, or you can actually see the market moving a bit up and creating a third touch over there before moving down. But having something, a stop loss like that, as you can see, it's about 50 pips, that just won't work. So rather go in here with a tight stop loss and see what the market does at this third touch over there. So back to the 4-hour time frame. Let's just get rid of all this clutter on the charts. So obviously you can see impulse correction, impulse correction. So looking at areas in the market where we can capitalize and potential targets as well. We also know what the bias of the market is. You can see that we are in a selling market. You can see with the impulse over here, correction, impulse, and then corrective up. But obviously if I just go back to the 1 hour time frame, you'll see that this candlestick, the last hour's candlestick over here, this candlestick, just, it's very impulsive, these candlesticks. The last 2-3 candlesticks that happen on the hourly time frame, which does actually give me an indication that the market can actually go up and make this touch over here before it comes down. It's a possibility, but just looking deeper into it, what I see is that we have 1 2 3 4 and then a possible fifth touch with this ascending channel, a pattern within a pattern. So if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, we'll obviously see it here. You have a 1 2 3 4, so possible touch there, pattern within a pattern. And then if you just zoom in a little bit, you can see that the market's going up. So we're just anticipating that touch over there, and then we'll see what it does, whether the market goes down. So this is basically just analysis on this pair. The market has a mind of its own. We can analyze it, so anything can basically happen. We could look at, like I said, the market breaking there, coming to this area over here, the 90% rule, so something like that. it can push a bit down just to this yellow area over here. Or what you can actually see the market do is, let me just zoom in a bit. You can see the market push up a bit until that area there, and then start pushing down till here. Obviously we wait for the market to break, and then we could see it push down once again until there. So that's my analysis on AUD USD. I'll see what happens. I would like to monitor this trade, or just not monitor the trade, but rather monitor the analysis of this trade. So really excited to see what will happen, and what the outcome will be of it, looking at the areas that we're looking at, significant areas. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with how this analysis goes and what I'm seeing and the potential of this market. So I'll see you guys next time. So what's up, guys? We are back. It's a few days later than when we analyzed the market. I think it was 3 or 4 days ago. Today is Sunday evening. So as you can see, I'm back on the charts and back with this P that I analyzed. So I just want to show you guys the result as to what it was, what I looked for, and how the market played out. So let's just have a look at it. So I'll zoom in a bit. Let's see if I can zoom in. So there you can see in the previous, or in the earlier clip that played, I think the market was around here, and now you can see, just as I forecasted and analyzed the market, that is what happened. We got that touch right over there, and you can see that the market came to this area. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, we'll obviously see it a bit better, the touch over there. So there we just have that touch over there, you can see, and then the market started trickling our way right down. So like I told you guys earlier in the video, obviously the market can either go up or the market can go down, because we do know that it's a 1-2 and the possible third touch over here. But you can see that the market broke this area, the trend line. So what I'm actually looking for now, and also knowing that this area, let me see if I can add a price, knowing that this area would be our second targets, we'll just look to capitalize over there. So what will then just happen is, if I go to the 15-minute time frame and look at what pattern is being printed out here, you can obviously see that it looks like a continuation pattern. So what I'll then look for is for something like this, 25 pips over there, save, and then go for this area here as a first take profit, something like that. Probably a 1:3, and that is what I will then look for later on. So today is Sunday, so anything's possible. The market can come down to that area over there. That is on the 15-minute time frame, and this is on the 1-hour time frame. You can see that we had that touch over there, and then we had the bullish candlestick. So something like this, and then when the market does decide to go down, you can obviously take it down to the second TP, which make it a 1:6 over there. So that's the possibilities of what we're looking for. But we do know that it's possible that the market can just from there create another touch over there, and then just grab this again, and then only decide to come to this area over here, or it might even then just go a bit lower. So the possibilities are endless, as you can see here. We have this 1 2, so the third touch the market can still decide to go up over here. um it's possible. But yeah, guys, so what I basically just wanted to show you guys is the analysis on this trade over here and the direction that came our way. So I'll see you guys on the next video.